Alright guys, it is 1:09 on a Saturday. Basketball's been played. Shopping's been done. Loading the truck's been done. Now we heading out to go find a spot so that we can build a campfire and use the Dutch oven. And we're gonna make pot roast tonight. So see if I can spice it up a little bit, but we're doing pot roast, so I think it'll come out all right. So anyways, I'll bring you along, show you what we got. It's supposed to be a beautiful weekend, so let's hit it. All right, well, we made it to the spot. So here we go. And you know, when you find a nice spot, I like to go back to it because it takes like all the guesswork out and I ain't gonna drive around all day. But anyway, so if you look over here, this was the spot we were at like 2 weeks ago. Really nice spot, but this one's the money spot, except somebody had some horses or something over here. But anyways, it's got a really good fire pit, so for us to do the Dutch oven tonight, so it'll be nice. So I'm gonna get the truck positioned. You got your stuff, you ready? Okay. All right, bring you back. Show you what we're cooking. All right, well, we moved camp spots, so we were gonna go to the good spot over there, but the fire pit was all full, and like I had just cleaned this one out a couple weeks ago, and it was still like all good, so it looked like the way I left it. So I'm not sure if anybody's camped here or not, but got this going here so I can get some coals. That way we can do the old Dutch oven. I just went and bought a cheap one, but should be fine anyhow. So I washed it at home, so we should be good to go. And then I get all my stuff out so we can do the pot roast. So I'm gonna get it cut up. I'm gonna put dip it in flour, and then I'm gonna brown it, or just kind of sear it, I guess, and then throw the vegetables in. But I'm gonna cut it all down so that way it doesn't take 4 hours to cook. But we'll let it roll for like an hour or two, and then it'll be all groovy. Oh man, another perfect night. Look at me, I don't even have last time we were out here it was like mid-50s, and then once the sun went down, it got cold. But today was like 65, 67, somewhere around there, and then tomorrow's supposed to be 70. So like I'm out here in a t-shirt, and it's awesome, guys. I'm telling you. And I was tired too. Like we had to get up because we had to drive across town. So I had to get up like at 5:30 so we could get to his game by 7:30. Then they play. We went home, had to do store, this and that, bang, 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 and then. But now we're here. And hell yeah, right? Why not? So it's like once we hit the highway, then all that I'm tired and I don't want to go goes away, and then we'll just come out and chill. So anyhow, I better get busy on this food or it's never gonna get done. All right, guys. Well, I got everything up in here. I got the meat brown cut up, and then just got the vegetables in. I'm getting ready to put the packet in with the water, and then we'll let it roll for a little while. I just got the little packet, like the already pre-made packet at Walmart. It was like 20 bucks. So should be nice and hearty. We'll see how she turns out. All right, we got dinner rolling. Dano out here. Want to say hi, Dan?
Hi.
And if that ain't pretty damn cool, I don't really know what to tell you, because it's pretty awesome. So I'm gonna finally got everything done and ready so I can just chill. And I'm just gonna sit here and look at it and listen to some music. So I'll let you go. Bring you back in a little while. Beautiful night. Still not even really cold enough to put a sweatshirt on. And then we got the Dutch oven rolling down there and the fire. Hopefully you can see all that. And we got the little lights rolling. But hell yeah, guys. Why not? Why not, right? So I only got a few more Saturdays off, and then I'll have to start burning PTO time to do Saturdays. But hell yeah. It was nice today. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Tomorrow's going to be beautiful too. So I am in no rush to go home. And then tomorrow, check it out. So you don't need to see my ugly mug. But anyways, tomorrow we're gonna make we're gonna make biscuits and gravy, you know, with bacon. And then probably some pancakes too, because I think Dan wants pancakes. But I'm gonna do the biscuits up in the Dutch oven. So anyways, I've never done that before, so I'll give her a whirl. I think it'll come out all right. So that's for tomorrow. But tonight it's just sitting here, get my pot roast all done, or stew, or whatever the hell it is, and we'll be rolling. So anyways, all right guys, I'll catch up with you. All right, I'm gonna show you my stew, I guess. Not really pot roast anymore. But, oh yeah, look at the gravy. Look at the gravy. Shoo-wee. I don't know, I'm gonna try a piece here in a minute. I'm just letting it cool off. Man, look at that gravy. Letting the coals get good so that way I can make my biscuits. And then I had forgot that, well, actually I made a game time decision to switch breakfast because I was gonna do something else, and then I decided on biscuits and gravy. So all I have is like a little thing of milk, so I can't make that much gravy. But anyways, we'll still make some biscuits and gravy and pancakes, and it'll be all right. But yeah, so I wish I would have brought more milk, but anyway, so I'll have to use all of Dad's milk this morning. But anyways, I'll show you around. It was pretty cool. I've just been chilling out here. So. All right, so the sleeping arrangement is getting better. So I made a little like pad that goes on my seat to where it doesn't dip down so much. So I slept better. Well, I mean, I feel better, you know. And it didn't really get that cold last night. I started the truck this morning. It was like 5. I had to go to the bathroom. But I started the truck, and it said it was only like 54. So it wasn't really that cold. I started it up just to warm it up since I was getting out. But yeah, it's not bad. So I got the biscuits going up in here, and I'll show you them here in a little bit. So I just tried one. They're just about done. So basically, I just kind of warmed it up on the coals, buttered it real good, and then I pulled it out and just put coals on top, and it seems to be doing good. Like, it got pretty hot, so like a couple of them are a little darker than I'd want, but they're cooking good. So I'm gonna give them about another 5 minutes, pull them off, and then cook up some bacon. And then I pretty well got the truck, kind of everything picked up, because once we're done eating, I'm gonna do some exploring. So I've done some exploring out here, but I haven't done a lot. Like, I was on an overland trip and I wasn't really paying attention, and we just were driving around. But there's one road over here, I don't know, it's called something like Fisherman Cove Road, or I don't know. Anyways, so I think that it goes down to where the lake used to be. Like, it's Lake Mead's, so like down now, you know what I mean? Like, there's probably 15-20 miles of lake that's not there anymore, because the water level is receded. So, you know, like there's a like a launch ramp that's kind of like at the edge where like the water was full, and I used to launch there back in the early 2000s, you know, when I had my boat. And dude, it was awesome. It was an awesome place, but now it's like so far down. But anyways, like, I think where this goes is where like so there's 2 rivers. There's the Virgin River, and then there's the Muddy River. But the Virgin River, where it goes in, because that's the river I'm next to, I think that used to be you know, where it hit the water when the water was like up at level. So I just want to go down there and check it out. And then that was a cool spot too, because I remember, man, we used to come up here. I come up here in the boat, or my buddy's boat, and we would just go to we just go to like where the river comes in, and we would just sit there and just pull up catfish. It was freaking cool. But anyhow, I'm gonna get back to this. I better pull my biscuits off. So I'm grabbing a biscuit, and pretty damn good. All right, get on to some bacon. All right, well, it turned out So getting ready to grub down here. But man, this is the best. Country gravy. Holy moly. Alright guys, so I'm out here on this awesome road. It is like with the rock formation, and you see the lake up there behind it. That's freaking awesome. But anyhow, yeah, we're gonna keep rolling down, see where it goes. We already seen one campsite, so I'm gonna see if there's how many more there are down here, and then we may camp down here, you know, I don't know, a couple weeks or something. But it is beautiful today. It's like almost 70. Freaking just beautiful, man. The old Silverado 2500, baby. Anyways, it's a little bumpy, but it ain't too bad. So we're gonna keep rolling. All right, guys. So we're down far enough to where like all this used to be underwater. So you can really tell by the way that looks over there, but and the trees and stuff. And so there was a sign up there, probably about, I don't know, half a mile, that said anything from that sign down here is just primitive camping area. So I think we're gonna come down here and camp. I don't know how much further it goes, but there's some water over here. We'll go check it out. I think this is probably where the Virgin River comes in.
I'm not wearing my Crocs, so I gotta wear these.
Oh, it looks like there's something over here. Let's see. The only problem with camping in these areas is bugs. Yeah, some animal. But I don't know. I think this could be I think this would be pretty cool though. Think we should camp here next time, dude?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome, huh?
Yeah.
Maybe we can just get the truck right here and do the thing.
Well, I don't know how I broke that.
Huh?
Broke it off with me.
Yeah, don't. It's probably all soft and mushy. Careful.
Oh, I thought that was just wet sand. It's water. This is wet sand. Feels like poop.
So I don't know if there's too many things better than listening to the river than watching your kid play in it. So he's having a good time. I think he's busted his shoes and socks already, for sure. But that's what you do when you're 8. You know? Not bad for a Sunday morning, you know? Stan can go play, and exactly, that was a beautiful road to get down here too. So I got some pictures of it, and I might do a little video of it on the way back. But just a beautiful ride. And it's basically just like driving next to mountains and stuff like this. But it's super freaking cool, man.
Okay, that's deep.
Yeah, don't fall in. You'll see up here. It's be a good spot to just plop a chair down. Just sit here. Just sit here and freaking kick back. And there's other like roads on the other side too. Like you can see them coming down. So I don't know. I mean, there's so many roads out here. It's freaking cool.